This is texture to another level. Do you see how I'm flowing? I can't even get my words out because I'm flowing so good. Yes, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we are talking about 2 units from Sensationnel. I'm hype, so y'all probably already know what the tea is, but we're talking about 2 units today. We are going to be talking about the Elite Babe and Miss Angel Face. Okay, so in this review I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward and show you the put down and how I put it on, how it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that with Elite Babe. It's the same thing, so we'll talk in the outro. If you want to see each one, you can go ahead and use that timestamp below. You know, I know some of y'all don't watch these videos. It's okay, use the timestamps, but I'll show you the put down, then I'll talk about Elite Babe, and then you know what? We'll talk about Angel. I'm gonna talk to y'all in the outro.
Slide part 2, featuring the platinum band, and this time we're gonna get bumped, get bumped, get bumped. Everybody clap your hands, get bumped, get bumped, get bumped. Everybody clap your hands, get bumped, bumped, bumped. Everybody clap your hands, bumped, bumped, bumped. Everybody clap your hands. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's bump. Let's go to work. One how gets funky with funky. One how gets funky with funky. One how gets funky with funky. One funky, funky. One how gets time. Funky. One how gets time. Funky. One how gets time. Funky. Cha-cha real smooth. Now it's time to get funky. Take it back, that dog. Take it back, that dog. Take it back, that dog.
Alright guys, so I am back putting on Miss Elite Babe. Elite. She is the elite one in the group. Yes. Okay, so this is a new unit from Sensationnel's Curls and Kinks collection. We're all familiar with this Curls and Kinks collection. They came out with some curly units, the Money Maker, you know, the curly one. Then they try to give us like the wavy ones, Risk Taker, Born Study. Then they try to give us Boss Babe, you know, the straight one, Boss Babe, and Alpha Woman. Okay. So now we are here. We are present. So the Boss Babe and the Alpha Woman, I feel like were the straighter ones compared to all the other ones going on. But now we are on Elite Babe and Angel Face. Okay? Let me tell you something. Sensationnel pays attention. Hey, Sensationnel, I see you over there paying attention. Guys, when I say improvements of texture, this is texture to another level. Do you see how I'm flowing? I can't even get my words out because I'm flowing so good. Yes. Okay, this one right here, I feel like it's kind of an upgrade to that Boss Babe and Alpha Woman. I don't know, maybe not, but I like this one because the texture on this feels amazing. That one felt okay, but it kind of felt a little bit more like Kanekalon, and it wasn't as soft as this one. This one, they have nailed the texture right. I feel like it's a good natural texture. They also gave us some bumped ends on this one. They improved the texture, and I feel like they just have been listening to us. They've been listening. Okay, so now let's talk about the cap construction. This one is the same exact cap construction as Angel Face. It comes with that lace part in the middle. It comes with your 2 combs on the side, your 1 in the back. Who is that? Hey, that was my daughter. I thought I was seeing ghosts. So it comes with it has a stretchy cap, and I feel like the cap feels good. I did go ahead and put a little bit of powder right here, and I also did use a little bit of spray. I used to feel like this Got To Be spray wasn't good, but this one I actually like it. I'm really liking this right now. But I did go in with a little bit of spray just to kind of secure her down right there, a little bit of powder, and she just feels good. Yes, I feel like it's mocking our textured hair. It's a little bit warm, okay? It's a little bit warm, but it is really close to a natural texture. It's flowing. It's just nice. This is what she's looking like in the front, in the back. Okay, I have the color number 4, and I feel like it's a nice brown, nice chocolate, like nice kind of everyday color. The only thing on this is that yes, this is a synthetic unit. Yes, it is under $30, but you know what, the density on this, yes, you're not gonna get any kind of lace frontal effect. You're not gonna get that. You're gonna get a basic kind of everyday look, but it's $30. I feel like it's a good affordable option for a natural textured wig. Some people don't have money to pay for a nice lace frontal. I mean, when you start talking about giving a frontal and lace and all of that, you start going up in price. So I feel like this is a nice affordable dupe for a synthetic price. I like it. I'm really impressed. Yeah, let's just go ahead and talk about the other one. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about Angel Face. Okay guys, so I am back with Miss Angel Face. Don't I look like an angel? If y'all only knew the truth. Alright guys, so this is the longer one. This is Miss Angel Face. I have the color Money Piece Blonde. That means that you're getting like this money piece effect right here. I got like some dark roots and all of that going on. So this is the same exact cap construction as Elite Babe. I decided to go ahead and give you guys a color kind of to just show what the colors look like. You know, I didn't want to do two of the same colors because I knew I'll be doing this video together. So yeah, that's kind of why I did that. Now, this is the issue. That first color was a number 4. That's a natural color. Sometimes when you get natural colors, your 1 to 4, your 1, 2, 1B, all of that, the texture is good. And then when you start adding in these colors, the texture starts changing a little bit. So I'm not too sure if it's because it's blonde. Probably. It's blonde. It's a little bit drier than the number 4. Like the ends on this one were just nice. They were just nice and conditioned. This one is cute. Don't get me wrong. She is a look, baby. Like, do you see what is happening on the screen? Do you see? Because I see it. She's an absolute look, and I'm liking the fact that they gave us some colors, but just keep in mind that when you start tapping into them colors, you probably will get a little bit dry and the texture probably will change. So don't be like, I got a Money Piece Caramel or Hazel or whatever color and my texture ain't feel like that. I try to warn you. I try to let you know. This is the longer one. I'm loving the fact that we still are getting like nice curls. It's layered. It's long in the front. It's looking like this in the front. You kind of got to sit these wigs right too, you know? You got to sit them right. So it's looking like this in the front. And in the back. So this wig does come with that middle part. I left it in the middle just to kind of show you guys how the like face framing kind of highlights are looking. You can shift her to the side if you want. That's kind of what it's looking like to the side. And you can shift it to that side. Boom, boom, boom. Shift your wig, girl. Shift your wig. Do what you want to do with your wig. I really like the natural texture on this. I like the fact that I honestly didn't have to go on with any heat. I just literally put her on my head. And to me, she feels really flat up here. She feels really flat and nice. There are no like filler hairs at the top here. Now, keep in mind, this is a $30 unit. As far as cons, you know, yes, they probably could have gave us better looking hairline, all of that, but it's $30. When you guys start talking about, I want a hairline, I want this, I want that, I want that, when you got all these expectations, you start going up there in the $40, $50, $60 range, okay? So you have to keep in mind what you're paying for, all right? I think she works. I actually like the Elite Babe a little bit better as far as the length goes. I feel like she's a little bit more manageable for more like everyday. But this long one is cute too. I feel like these are good beginner friendly wigs. I feel like they're not too thick. This one does feel a little bit thicker than that other one, but you can always thin her out. She is getting a little hot on me, you know, because she is a textured unit, but I like her. I just feel like she's a vibe. She's just cute. Like I said, personally, I would go for the shorter one. I feel like that one wouldn't tangle as much as this one. This one is tangling a little bit, but you can brush her out, girl. Stop playing games. Act like you don't have a brush, girl. Stop playing. Brush that wig and stop playing. She's not a bad tangler, but she could also be because of the fact that I do legit have a color and the processing is different. Like the ends, it's a little drier when you start messing in colors. So with the natural color, I mean, you could probably run your fingers through that all day, okay? Other than that, I'm really happy with the fact that Sensational is listening and taking notes. They're not giving us that cheap, dry hair, that Kanekalon fiber. Yeah, these still feel like braiding hair, but I feel like they're listening, you know? They're taking notes and they're stepping it up with the texture and all of that, you know? So I'm here for it. They're paying attention. This is a good relationship. I keep talking about this. I'm all for relationships that are built on trust, communication, and growth, okay? I was getting a little bit of shedding, but I feel like that's just because of the way I cut the lace. If you have any questions or anything, girl, go ahead and talk to me in the comments. It's okay. Ask me. Ask me. I'm your wigologist. I can let you know these things. Go ahead and ask me in the comments. I'm not afraid to answer. If I know, I will let you know. If I don't, I'll say, girl, I don't know. I don't know, okay? Let me know how you guys are feeling about both of these wigs. Which one was your favorite? Are you more like shorter? Are you elite? Or are you an angel? Let me know. Let's chat it up in the comments. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.